Hello, so we just ordered 2 penny boards. One's for Ivy over there, and one's for me.
Let's see them.
We paid for them because we really want them. And even though we don't really know how to skate, but
my
we'll
new
learn.
tattoo got ruined. It was much better before, but then I washed my hands.
Cool. Okay, so yeah, here it is. This one's mine. It's got orange, the grip tape, some yellow, and some black wheels.
Hello.
And then
I'm just eating
Hello.
some
Got
Chinese
darker.
churro.
It got darker because it's later. Chinese churros, can we see that? And they're not sweet, they're
Salty, of course.
yeah, that.
And I'm not sure what you call this, but I have also this.
It's called rice with water, I think.
It's
soup.
how does it called? What is it called in Chinese?
Sure.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, so back to the penny boards. So this one's the one I got, and then over here is Ivy's.
Don't
Let us
tell them
know.
your email or
I didn't.
or
Let us know.
sending stuff.
Let us know which one you like the best, which one's prettier in the comments. And yeah, this one's Ivy's. It's got some grip tape. It's green even though it looks yellow. It's got that thingy there. And then pink wheels. Let us know which one you like the best. I'm really excited.
Whoa.
Yeah. I'm excited because it's getting here in how many days, Ivy?
I don't know.
Alright. 7 to 10 days, so it's kind of a lot. So, yeah. Hello, so there's something really great that just happened. It's that the penny boards are here. We're not sure which one's whose, but we're gonna open them first and then we'll see.
But if Ariana was wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna open them now.
Yeah, but if Ariana was wrong and that's mine, then I was right.
So I think this one's mine. I'm not sure. We're just guessing here. Let's hope that it's mine. So.
Yeah, me too, I guess.
How do you open this?
Alright, you said that already.
I don't get how you open it. Oh, this is going to take really long. Oh,
Woo! I opened it up.
okay.
Yeah, you got them off.
Ma.
I'm just gonna open it a little to see. Hope it's mine.
Okay. So excited.
Yay, it's mine.
Okay. So we chose the right ones. And I was right.
Yeah.
How did you guys guess?
Ariana just got the one in front of her.
Yeah. Okay. So we got our certificate.
Oh. You should show the box. This is probably pink.
Want to show your certificate?
Yeah. It's kind of folded.
Maybe because I kind of...
What about yours?
It has our name on it.
Right. So let's move on.
Okay.
Alright.
You want stickers over out? Or
So-
this goes behind.
Okay, here's the grip tape. And it's like this. And then the penny board is here. It's bigger than I thought.
I know.
Oh, so funny.
This is mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So happy.
It's kind of sticky, so not really.
And then some little like purple hat.
And this is fine.
Looks good. And then
I don't really like the
we're gonna have to give it to you, maybe. But
We don't have to.
then it comes with other stickers. They don't look like stickers.
That is so cool.
But then this is the thing that goes on the locker panel.
Ivy.
What is this?
Stickers. Alright, so we're gonna put the stuff on and then we'll see.
Okay.
Wait,
I'm scared.
It's starting.
okay, we're putting the stickers on right now. The panel thing. Okay. Alright, the wheels are like gummies. Alright. Now this. I don't know.
The wheels are what?
They're not. I don't know.
They're like gummies.
Alright.
Ivy, that's good.
No, it's not the bolts. Can you help me?
We already used the penny boards. As you can see, it's a little draggier. That's what it looks like from the back.
I was talking.
And so there.
And the bottom.
Yeah.
And this is mine.
Wait. So
They're
that's
pretty good.
So yeah, let's see Ivy going on hers. Alright, first, before I got it, I don't know how to skateboard. I'm okay with it. I can stand on it. But I didn't know how loose the truck was supposed to be. So we just did what we thought. So Ivy, let's
Was
see.
it supposed to go the other side?
What are you talking
My
about?
sticker.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Okay.
Ugh.
Let's watch Ivy go.
It's very noisy.
It's really smooth.
Yeah.
Like when I'm going downhill, I start wobbling, and it's really
Well,
scary.
I'm not sure when
Right, so we're outside now. The penny boards are here, and we're gonna go, I guess. So
guys, so right now the wheel is a fruit.
we gotta find the path.
Just put it in your pocket. Roll it with more
Ivy, you
paper.
better not be recording.
I recorded my own skateboard.
So now we're skateboarding over there. It's here. Why don't you ride it? Ride it, okay?
I want to do something.
I hate the fruits on the ground. What? and that's what you do. We're gonna talk about what we think about the penny board. So here they are. So yeah, we're gonna talk about them and give it a review. So here's my co-host.
Hello. Hello.
So yeah, what do you think about the penny board? Ivy, stop, come over here.
Of course. I thought it was amazing, and
You have to look up.
I thought it was amazing, and it's so soft. Because the other ones with the wheels that are all hard are super horrible.
Alright,
So-
what she means with that is that it was really smooth when you got on it.
Absolutely.
And that's her follower over there. You want to say hi to the camera?
Her name
She doesn't. So yeah, it was really smooth. And we're really scared of going downhill because we start wobbling. People say it's too small, but I think it's
We
fine.
start going too fast.
Can you put your foot there, Ivy?
Absolutely.
So that's Ivy's. No, Ivy, stop. That's Ivy's foot. Oh, that's not her foot. She's wearing mom's shoes. See the followers? Okay, so yeah, that's our review on it. It's not very small. See? Yeah.
Here comes the moon afternoon.
So what do you think about it? Irene, what's wrong with you? Let's go see. Irene, what do you think about it? I know it was pretty cool. What's wrong with you, Irene? Really? What do you think
Hello?
about it? Really?
It was absolutely
Ivy.
amazing. What?
Don't say it with the accent.
It was absolutely amazing.
What's wrong with you, Irene? Why do you keep walking in the background? Could you even see your face?
Absolutely.
No, you couldn't.
Right,
Alright, so yeah, the board was pretty good. I don't know why people say it's really small. I think those people have really big feet, so they don't fit. So yeah, it wasn't that small. It's bigger than I thought it would be. So yeah, it was pretty good.